Do you want to know how you can log into your BPKIHS Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your BPKIHS account or your BPKIHS Payroll account. Go ahead and search for BPKIHS Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of BPKIHS Payroll. What you need to do right now is write down your employee ID on the first box, and after you write down your ID, go ahead and write down your password in the second one. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon over here. As you write your employee ID and your password, click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your BPKIHS Payroll account. Let me show it to you once again. Search for Payroll BPKIHS Login, click on the first link which appears on your screen, write down your employee ID, then write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure you check on it and then click Login. So this is how you log into your BPKIHS Payroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.